And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good this afternoon or evening. Now we are also late. First of all, I would like to explain, to define what is poverty. Poverty is deprivation of capability. And a person suffering from poverty is called poor, or in Arabic, its name is faqir. Islam treats faqir in three different ways. There are three categories according to Sharia. In category 1, those people, they are incapable of earning due to their age or their diseases or some other problems. This area covered by social security system of Islam, and we know it very better, and they have to be supported from zakat, sadaqat, khairat, nuzur, kafarat. A lot of things are there, waqf. Second category is capable of earning but having no capital, need financial support. Third category is financially distressed. Someone having their business, skills, expertise, but now facing from financial crisis. In this session or in this panel, my areas only this number 2 and number 3, capable of earning and financially distressed. Islam advised to get them free from this situation. Give these people freedom from the situation they are in. Now, how we can give them freedom from this situation? We have Islamic microfinance product. Islamic microfinance is based on musharaka and mudaraba and wakala. These are the three best products if our microfinance product based on these three things. Because Islam does not encourage being under debts, so Qard Hasan, in my view, in my opinion, is not the best solution. Islam does not encourage us being dependent on charities, sadaqat, khairat and zakat. So, yes, Baitul Mal, zakat and sadaqat are for the people they are unable for earning. They cannot do work. There are some problem, so we can support them from this area. Islamic banks can remove poverty from the whole world. But I will tell you a short story. In a village, there was a wise person, and he was able to answer all questions. In the same village, there was a boy. He was jealous from this person. So one day, like the person, the aged person was sitting on a panel, and among the people, this boy came with a grasshopper in his hand. And he asked a question. He said, "O old man, tell me, this grasshopper is alive or dead?" If he will say that it is dead, that he will press hand and he will make it die. If he'll say it is alive, if he'll say this is alive, he will kill him, otherwise he will open the hand and will fly. What the wise person said, he replied, "O boy, the life of this grasshopper is in your hand." Now I can say, Mr. Umar, that the life of poor or the life of poverty is in the banks, in the hands of Islamic banks, in the hands of this industry. We need to fix the meaning of KYC. Either we have to name it to mean KYC, know your customer, give him freedom from the situation. give him support, take him out from these problems, or give him murabaha, keep him under debts, and KYC means kill your customer, exploit your customer, charge a high rate of profit with excuse of high risk. But I think there is no risk in microfinance or low risk in microfinance in comparatively with the VIP customer or with the high level customer. So this is the short. We have to focus on this area, and we have Musharaka, Mudaraba, Wakala, the best product for microfinance, and we can remove poverty from the world. Thank you.